All right, guys, today we're diving into one of the coolest traditional processes I've ever seen, making natural cow milk soap completely by hand. It all starts with fresh cow's milk, collected right at the farm. Pure, simple, and straight from the source. Then we move into the coconut process, cracking, peeling, washing, and pounding it the old school way until that rich coconut milk begins to flow. And yeah, all of this is done manually. No machines, just skill and patience. They let the coconut cream rest for 2 days. Boil the solids and extract clean coconut oil. Next comes the herbal infusion. Mugwort leaves, lingji mushrooms, and olive oil, all fermenting together for 3 days. The result? A beautiful golden herbal oil packed with natural goodness. And here's the surprising part: silk. Real silk fibers, straight from silkworm cocoons, dissolved right into the soap base. The milk is mixed with soda ash, the silk softens, and all the oils come together. Palm oil, shea butter, almond oil, coconut oil, and that herbal mugwort oil. Then tapioca powder is added, and the whole mixture thickens to a smooth, yogurt-like texture. It's poured into molds, left to rest for 3 days, and then cured for 45 days until the bars become firm, gentle, and perfectly finished. And finally, the soap is ready. Natural, handcrafted, and made with a process that's honestly beautiful to watch. This is true artisanal soap making. Simple ingredients, traditional methods, and a whole lot of heart.